This video explains what drives, partitions, and volumes are, and how to add and delete partitions on an HP or compact computer using Windows 8. A partition is an area of a hard disk that can be formatted and assigned a drive letter. HP and compact computers have hard disk drives that contain at least two partitions: the main partition for Windows and your stored files, and a second recovery partition to restore the computer to factory settings. While following these steps, do not delete the System, Recovery, or Factory Image partition, or use it for file storage. Doing so might cause startup or recovery problems. Follow these steps to add a new drive letter to the computer. If you need more storage space, install an additional hard drive by adding a new hard disk drive or a USB storage device. Windows automatically assigns a new letter to the drive. To reallocate empty space to another partition, create another partition on an existing hard drive. The system partition is usually labeled with the letter C, while A and B are reserved for disks or removable drives. You can assign the letters D through Z to each drive on the computer. Follow these steps to change a drive letter. At the Windows Start screen, type Disk Management, then select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions from the search charm results. Right-click the partition or drive you want to rename, then click Change Drive Letter and Paths. In the Change Drive Letter window, click Change. In the drop-down menu, select a new drive letter, then click OK. A Disk Management Caution message displays. Click Yes to continue. You can delete a drive letter by using the Disk Management tool. Back up any data you want to keep before deleting a drive letter. Deleting a partition removes access to any data and files that were stored on it. At the Windows Start screen, type Disk Management, then select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions from the search charm results. Right-click the drive letter you want to remove, then click Change Drive Letter and Paths. In the Change Drive Letter window, click Remove. A Disk Management Caution message displays. Click Yes to continue. To create more partitions, the hard disk must contain space that is not part of an existing partition. Follow these steps to create a new partition. At the Windows Start screen, type Disk Management, then select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions from the search charm results. Right-click the C drive, then click Shrink Volume to create unallocated space. Click Shrink. When Shrink is complete, the new partition displays in the Disk Management utility as unallocated space. Right-click the new partition. Click New Simple Volume from the menu. In the New Simple Volume Wizard window, click Next. Type in the volume size or click Next to accept the default size. Select a drive letter, then click Next. To name the drive, type a name in the volume label box. Make sure that Perform a Quick Format and Enable File and Folder Compression are not selected, then click Next. In the Settings window, click Finish. The Disk Management utility displays, showing the formatting progress, and then the new volume. If the autoplay window displays, close it. Follow these steps to delete the volume and the partition. Then add the unallocated space to another disk. From the Windows Start screen, type Disk Management, then select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions from the search charm results. Right-click the volume or partition you want to delete, then click Delete Volume. If you have backed up your data, click Yes. The drive letter disappears, and the partition is labeled as Unallocated Space. Add the unallocated space by right-clicking the drive you want to use and select Extend Volume. Click Next, then click Next again. Click Finish. The space is added to the volume you chose. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/how-to-for-you.